Can AI replace human brains? This question has sparked countless debates, and today I want to dive into it. First, let's clarify what AI really is. At its core, artificial intelligence is a set of algorithms designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like recognizing speech, making decisions, and even driving cars. But can it truly replicate the complexity of human thought? AI has some impressive strengths. It can process vast amounts of data at lightning speed, analyze patterns, and even predict outcomes with remarkable accuracy. Think about how AI powers recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix or Spotify. It learns from your preferences and suggests content you might enjoy. That's pretty cool, right? But here's where things get tricky. While AI excels at data-driven tasks, it lacks the emotional depth and creativity that define human intelligence. For instance, AI can generate music or art, but it doesn't experience joy or sorrow. It doesn't understand the nuances of human emotion. Imagine a robot trying to write a heartfelt poem. It might string together beautiful words, but it won't capture the essence of love or loss the way a human can. Now, let's talk about creativity. AI can mimic styles and generate new ideas based on existing data, but true creativity often involves breaking the rules, thinking outside the box, and drawing from personal experiences. That's something AI struggles with. It doesn't have a life story to inspire its creations. In our daily lives, AI is becoming more integrated than ever. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to smart home devices, AI is here to make our lives easier. But it's essential to remember that these tools are just that, tools. They enhance our capabilities, but don't replace the unique qualities that make us human. To illustrate this, let's have a little fun. Imagine a challenge where I ask both an AI and a human to come up with a joke. The AI might generate something like, "Why did the computer go to therapy? It had too many bytes." It's clever, but it lacks the punch of a well-timed human joke. A human might say something like, "I told my computer I needed a break, and now it won't stop sending me beach wallpapers." It's relatable, it's funny, and it connects on a personal level. As we look to the future, the collaboration between humans and AI is where the magic happens. Instead of viewing AI as a competitor, we should see it as a partner. Imagine a world where AI handles repetitive tasks, freeing us to focus on what we do best, innovating, creating, and connecting with one another. In conclusion, while AI has made incredible strides, it cannot replace the human brain. Our ability to feel, create, and connect is irreplaceable. So, let's embrace AI as a powerful ally in our journey. But let's never forget the unique spark that makes us human,